Hello guys, welcome to Wire Network. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to set up port forwarding on a ASUS router. Setting up port forwarding on an ASUS RT-AX53U router allows specific devices on your local network to receive external traffic for applications like gaming, remote desktop, or web hosting. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log into the router. Open a web browser and go to your router's web interface. Next, enter your username and password. Step 2. Access the port forwarding settings. Navigate to WAN in the sidebar menu. Select the Virtual Server Port Forwarding tab. Before enabling port forward, determine the status of port which you want to forward. Step 3. Configure port forwarding. Next, enable port forwarding. Once the port forwarding enable, click Add Profile. Next, set the service name. Set the protocol to TCP. In the external port and internal port field, enter the port which you want to forward. Enter the local IP address of the device that will receive the forwarded traffic. Click OK to apply the settings. Next, verify the forwarding by accessing online port checking service.